Step 1. Lay out parts L, M, and N times 2 as shown. Flip each of the parts over in order to attach the parts together. Slot the two end parts into either the L or M part and secure using the bolt and barrel nut, part A. Repeat for the opposite side. Then attach the 4-part eyes on each corner using the provided wood screws. Step 2. Slot one of the part P into either part L or M as shown and secure using part A. Repeat for the opposite side. You can then attach both part O's using 4-part H's to secure. Step 3. Slot part S into the top and bottom parts of R and T, with R being on the top and T on the bottom as shown. Note that the flat surface of the brass steps in the center of part S should be facing upwards towards part R, with the angled edge facing down towards part T. Note the position of the long slot on both parts U and V that span the length of each. Flip these parts and then slot one side of both parts R and T into either part U or V as shown and secure using part A. Repeat this for the other side. Step 4. You will now need to attach the entire assembly from steps 2 and 3 using the part C hardware. Note the position of each part, washers, bolt, and turn knob. Note, having a helper here will make this step easier to manage. Step 5. Slide the inner portion of part Q out from the outer portion, and then attach the top of the sides of the main H-frame of the easel using part K. You can then slide the outer portion of part Q back into the inner portion and secure using part B. Adjust the part Qs by loosening part B so that the last holes line up with the hole on the base of the easel as shown, and secure using part D. Step 6. Lay out parts W and X as shown. Slide out part Z so you can see the hole to attach part W to X. Flip the parts over and secure using the 4 wood screws F. Then attach part E to the bottom of part X, using the smaller wood screws included with E. Step 7. Loosen the adjustment knobs on the sides of the easel so you can adjust it to the horizontal position as shown. Slide the parts from Step 6 into the main H-frame of the easel from the bottom up as shown. Slide out part Z and add the brass plate J. Slide part Z back into position. Steps 8 and 9. Loosen the side turn knobs and adjust the easel to be back upright. Add a brass plate J to the back of the top canvas support part Y. And then slide part Y onto part Z as shown. Secure with the turn knob from part J. Finally, add a turn knob from part J to the upper hole shown. And part G to the lower hole shown on the back of the easel. Easel is complete.